Welcome back. Now, one of the most common functions of an autoresponder is to have someone removed from a prospect list when they become a customer and land on your customer list. And in order to do that, we are actually going to use list automation. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click Start Your First Workflow. Get Response will give you a beginner message. We're going to get rid of this message. And then we're going to give our workflow a name. Now, the simplest form is when someone is subscribed to our after purchase list, that would start the chain. So we're actually going to click Subscribes. And in the most basic form, what we would do is we would actually then remove that contact from another list. That would mean we would drag and drop this bucket onto the workflows. We are then going to draw a line to this bucket. Then what we need to do is we need to select where we want this person to be removed from. So we will say that we want the person removed from our prospect list. And then we're going to say that when a person becomes part of our customer list, we want them to be removed from the prospect list. That would mean we double click this box and we then select a specific list. And we can even determine how the person is added. So if the person is added by an API, then we want the person removed from this list because it is likely then that they have made a purchase. And that means then that they should then no longer receive emails on a prospect basis. And there are obviously a number of options that you have, but this is the most basic and it will work for any purchase, digital or otherwise, where someone's added to your list. They will then be removed from the list that you specify. Once you have this working the way that you want, what you'll want to do is to click Save and Publish. And then to make sure that your workflow is in place, you'll click Manage Your Workflows. And you'll see that your workflows are in place and ready to be used. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.